Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zyni Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing Master or BS in English can see cap. Our today's course is Euripides and I'm gonna tell you about a very important topic, the Trojan woman, Electra, Medea, Bacchus. इनमें जितने भी करेक्टर्स थे वो आज की वीडियो में डिस्कस किए जाएंगे. Character list of Euripides. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos, and video अच्छे लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Zyni Study Instruments, Literature in Pakistan. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Important character, Euripides. First of all, Hecuba, the former queen of Troy. She is arguably the play protagonist. She never exits the stage and acts as the Trojan woman. Emotional hurt. She remains practical, always thinking about her family and that remains of her legacy. She deeply loves her sons and daughters. Sandra, a Trojan woman, the daughter of Hecuba and Priam. Sandra बेटी थी हेकुबा और प्रियम की. प्रियम हेकुबा का husband था. As a young woman, she was cursed by the god Apollo and given the ability to see the future. However, her curse dictates that no one believes her prophecies, and so she is able to see events before they unfold but is unable to prevent them. Mack, a Trojan woman, the wife of Hector and mother of Tanex and daughter-in-law of Hecuba की daughter-in-law. She deeply loves her child and her murdered husband and dreads her upcoming pseudo marriage to the Greek New Ptolemus, who has claimed her as his own. Euripides, a Greek soldier who acts as a herald and a messenger. He is one of only two mortal men in the play, and the one with the most face time with the woman of Troy. Although he represents an enemy state, his relation with the woman is surprisingly sympathetic. Manulife, the king of Sparta and the former husband of Helen, who he has fought the Trojan War for and who he now intends to transport back to Greece and kill for his disloyalty. Although Manulife is her enemy, Hecuba treats him with respect and he awards her the same courtesy. Helen, the most beautiful mortal woman in the world, formerly of Sparta and wife of warrior king Manulife. Helen eloped to Troy with Paris, causing the Trojan War. Now at the end of 10 years of battle, the other characters, Hecuba and Manulife especially, blame her for all the lives lost and the destruction wrought. In her own words, Helen was merely a victim of fortune, first bewitched by Aphrodite, who brought Paris to her, and thumbheld in Troy by force. Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom and war. She along with Hira and Aphrodite participated in a beauty contest judged by Paris. Because the Trojan Paris did not select her as the winner, she sided with the Greeks in the Trojan War. However, when Greek soldiers desecrated her temple, Athena quickly turned against them. As Tanex, the young son of Mack and Hector, although a toddler and old enough to talk, he does not speak during the play. He is murdered by the Greeks for fear that he could grow up to become their enemy. His death and burial with Hector's shield as his coffin marks the tragic climax of the play. Hira, the Greek goddess of women, marriage, and birth. She is the sister of Poseidon and is both Zeus' sister and wife. Along with Athena and Aphrodite, Hira participated in a beauty contest judged by Paris. Because the Trojan Paris did not select her as the winner, Hira sided with the Greeks in the Trojan War. Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love, beauty, and desire. Along with Hira and Athena, Aphrodite takes part in a beauty competition judged by Paris. She promises Paris that if he wins, he can marry Helen, the most beautiful mortal in the world. Aphrodite wins and so introduces Paris and Helen, thus starting the Trojan War. ये था हमारा गाइस आज का टॉपिक. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माय वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.